To everyone present over here, Mahamahaniye Medhavit Twadiyam Swagatam Kurmah Guru Rasayan Vishayah Twadiyam Swagatam Kurmah Dinam no Dhanayat Mometat Iyam Mangalmayi Vela Twadiyam Swagatam Kurmah. All the dignified dignitaries, we welcome you. Eminent professors of chemistry, we welcome you. This is our greatest day, and on this auspicious occasion, we welcome you. With these lines, I, Dr. Shruti Trivedi, Department of Chemistry, Institute of Science, BHU, take this privilege to warmly welcome all of you on behalf of the organizing committee of Modern Trends in Inorganic Chemistry in one of the most ancient cities of the world, Varanasi. Varanasi is a city on the river Ganges that has a central place in the traditions of pilgrimage and culture. In the world of education, Banaras Hindu University is an internationally reputed temple of learning. This creative and innovative university was founded by great nationalist leader Bharat Ratna Pandit Madan Mohan Malvi in 1916. दीप ज्योति परम ब्रह्म दीप ज्योतिर्जनार्दन दीपो हरतु मे पापम दीपो ज्योति नमोस्तुते. Deep Aradhana is an important aspect of any ceremony. It brings auspicious prosperity and good luck. In line of these words, I would like to humbly request our distinguished dignitaries to assemble on the dais to perform the inaugural ceremony. I would like to welcome our chief guest, Professor T.K. Chandrasekhar, former director of NICER Bhubaneswar and founder secretary of SERB. Our guest of honor, Professor E.D. Jamis, honorary professor IC Bangalore and former director of ICER Trivandrum. Professor V.K. Shukla, rector of Banaras Hindu University. Professor Madhulika Agarwal, dean of Institute of Science. Professor Maya Shankar Singh, head of the department chemistry, and Professor Daya Shankar Pandey, convener of the program from the Department of Chemistry. I request all of you to offer floral tribute to the bust of Director Professor Anil Kumar Tripathi. I request all of you to offer floral tribute to the bust of Bharat Ratna Mahamana Pandit Madan Mohan Malviji and lighten the knowledge lamp. Now, I would request the dignitaries to take their seats. I would like to invite Professor Sangeeta Pandit from the Faculty of Performing Arts for beautiful Geet, which is accompanied by Nivedita Shyam, Anjali Gupta, Kajol Valmiki for vocals, and on harmonium Anand Kumar, on tabla Bhaskar Prasad Mishra. Please welcome. I request all of you not to clap after Kulgeet. मधुर मनोहर अतीव सुंदर सर्वती राजधानी राजधानी मधुर मनोहर अतीव सुंदर सर्वती राजधानी राजधानी Thank you, Kulgi team, for such a wonderful performance. Now it's time to felicitate our esteemed dignitaries with floral bouquet. Professor D.S. Pandey, convener of the program, to hand over the memento and Angavastram to our rector, Professor B.K. Shukla.
HOD.
Now, I would request Professor Subrato Bhattacharya, co-convener of this program, to give memento to our Dean, Professor Madhulika Agrawal.
Okay.
Now, I would request Professor Maya Shankar, Head of the Department of Chemistry, to give memento and Angavastram to our Director, Professor Anil Tripathi. Now, I would like to request the convener of the program, Professor Dayashankar Pandey, to come on the stage and tell us about the conference. Please welcome.
Honorable Professor Chandrasekhar, Chief Guest of this function, Professor James, Guest of Honor, our own Kulguru, Professor Sukla, Director Institute of Science, Professor Tripathi, Dean Faculty of Science, Professor Agrawal, Head of the Department, Head of Chemistry Department, Professor M.S. Singh, and co-convener of this program, Professor Subrato Bhattacharya, senior inorganic chemists from the country and abroad, and young budding scientists. Sometimes in 2003, I attended first MTech program in IIT Bombay, gave a talk in that program. And after that, I started dreaming of sometimes in 2011 and are able to organize it here on this auspicious day. I'm really grateful to the National Organizing Committee and other senior inorganic chemists of the country who extended their confidence in me and Banaras University and gave an opportunity to organize this seminar. I will not talk much. I will simply say that we planned this program sometimes in 2021, but enforced not to organize by COVID-19 and shifted it to 2022. After the first announcement there was a good response from all the corners of the country, and basically we decided to invite two participants from each research group, each basically active research groups, and at one stage we were suggested by many senior people that extended to four. So it was beyond our capacity to manage these many participants. Finally, we ended up with the three posters from each research group along with the participation of the senior faculty members. Overall registration for this event has been 529 plus above 70 from our own Banaras Hindu University and nearby universities and institutions. So I'm really very happy that basically you all have made it to Banaras and participating in this program. I could see that there were many problems with the transportation, with the accommodation and other things. I take full responsibility and apologize for it. But at the same time, assure you, particularly my guests from abroad, who basically, despite all odds, COVID situation, restrictions in travel and other things, have accepted our invitation and came to Banaras University. Thank you all, sir. So I will pass on to the Shruti for the proceedings of this.
Now, I would like to request the head of the department, chemistry, Professor Maya Shankar Singh, to come on the stage and deliver a welcome address.
A very good morning to all of you. Honorable dignitary sitting on the dais, esteemed fellow participants of this 19th MTIC, my fellow colleagues, dear students and friends. Really, I count it my high privilege and pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of Department of Chemistry, one of the largest and oldest department in Banaras Hindu University. It is one of those few departments which were established just after the inception of the Banaras Hindu University in 1916 under the direct observation of Bharat Ratna Mahamana Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Over the period, department has been nurtured and established under the able and significant guidance of numerous eminent educationists and chemists such as Professor Santi Swarup Bhatnagar, Professor Baba Kartar Singh, Professor S.S. Joshi, and Padam Bhushan Professor Gurbaksh Singh, Bharat Ratna Professor C.N.R. Rao, Professor V. Krishnan, Professor Vijay Nair, Professor J.S. Yadav, Professor D. Vasavaiya, Padam Shri Professor V.K. Singh, Professor Sandeep Verma, to name a few, are distinguished alumni of this department. The present strength of the faculty in chemistry is 52. All are actively engaged in pursuing research in frontier areas chemistry and interdisciplinary sciences, besides their involvement in teaching programs such as BSc, MSc, and PhD coursework.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to request Professor Anil Kumar Tripathi, Director of Institute of Science, come on the stage and address the audience.
Honorable Rector Banaras Hindu University Professor V.K. Shukla, Chief Guest Professor Chandrasekhar, Guest of Honor Professor James, my colleagues on the dais and off the dais, very distinguished chemists from within India and abroad, and very enthusiastic and dedicated delegates. It's very heartening to welcome you in this dream university of its founder, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, whom we paid floral tributes. He established this university with a vision which is these days very popular, the Atmanirbhar Bharat, to make our country self-reliant. Because of that, he established this university to develop human resource, which will help in taking our country forward after independence. And in this vision of his came Dr. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. Once he returned from England, he joined Banaras University, and here, besides his excellence in chemistry, he got infected by the spirit of nationalism and service by being in contact with the founder, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. The founder established this university in the city of Kashi, which is famous as a source of light, source of knowledge. And why is it source of knowledge? Because seekers of knowledge and givers of knowledge, they all assemble here. The Buddha, the learned one, he decided to share his divine knowledge with the disciples, his disciples in Kashi, in Varanasi. I feel that several learned ones, the Buddhas, have assembled here, Buddhas of inorganic chemistry. I would not like to keep that boundary of inorganic chemistry because inorganic chemistry crosses different disciplines. I would like to say chemists. And the givers of knowledge and people who come to receive the knowledge in this city, they are equally important. Because in this city, everyone is called a guru. That means everyone has something to share. And this spirit, because the knowledge of a guru is sharpened by an intelligent student. So I feel that all of you sitting in this hall, since you are in Varanasi, all of you are gurus, and you will share your experience, your knowledge, your curiosity with each other to churn out the cream of inorganic chemistry, or so to say, the chemistry. I hope that cream which comes out will benefit everyone. We should also remember the churning of ocean also brought some poison. This is the city of Lord Shiva who accepted this poison but didn't let his body be poisoned. I wish that this conference leads to production of good amount of very delicious cream which will linger in your minds for a long time to come. I congratulate Professor D.S. Pandey and the whole team. I have seen that they have been working day and night, and I would like to congratulate them for bringing this, and also the, 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 the people who are at the helms of the inorganic chemistry to decide Banaras University as a venue of this conference. The Institute of Science is a kind of mini university. We have 320 faculty members and a student strength of about 5,500. And it provides a very good opportunity of cross-disciplinary interaction. And in fact, the faculty members of the chemistry department have been interacting in other disciplines. Like BHU happens to be the only university which has both agricultural sciences and medical sciences in the same campus. I feel proud in mentioning that because of the legacy of Banaras University, this university happens to be the only university in the country to have been given an ambitious grant of rupees 125 crores by Department of Science and Technology to establish a sophisticated analytical technical health institute, starting facility. And we have state-of-art equipments already established all around the country. The interested scientists are getting trained, and many more new equipments are going to come. So this is also an addition to the attraction of Banaras University. The chemistry department is the largest department of the Institute of Science, not only in its size, but this happens to be a jewel in the crown of Banaras University because of its academic accomplishments and great legacy which it carries. I once again wish that this conference leads to advancement of knowledge in inorganic chemistry as well as chemistry. My best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Professor Madhumita Agrawal to please come on the stage and say a few words. A very warm good morning to one and all on the dais and off the dais. Our revered rector, Professor V.K. Shukla, the chief guest, Professor T.K. Chandrasekhar, the guest of honor, Professor E.D. Janis, the head of the department, our director, Professor A.K. Tripathi, the head of the department, Professor Maya Shankar Singh, the convener, Professor D.S. Tripathi, and the co-convener, Professor Bhattacharya, all the inorganic chemists and the chemists who are sitting in this Swatantrata Institute of Science, and of course, Varanasi. As you have just heard about the Varanasi and the legacy of the Department of Chemistry on which we all are proud of. This Institute of Science is of course just going to become 7 years old tomorrow. But the history is very long. As said by the director, we started the science studies in Central Hindu Boys School long back in 1916. We became Faculty of Science in 1968, and then we became Institute of Science in 2016. So it's really a great pleasure that you all have assembled here for this great occasion of modern trends in inorganic chemistry. Very near to our Institute Day, which is really very good to feel that we are not only organizing our Institute Day in terms of celebrating our successes, accolades, but also we are organizing an academic program through the chemistry department of our university. I will not repeat many things, just to tell you that our faculty has 14 departments with all traditional science subjects being taught like physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, geology, geography, mathematics, statistics, etc. Not only that, with the recent advancements, there are many more subjects are taught in the faculty like biotechnology, biochemistry, forensic science, environmental science, applied microbiology, geophysics, remote sensing and GIS. So there are 14 departments and 3 interdisciplinary centers through which interdisciplinary researches are also have been started long back, and we are continuing with that kind of thing. Our faculty itself is a big university, as said, and currently we are almost 6,000 students about 3,000 students in UG, because recently they have got their admissions through the combined university test. We have about 2,000 master's students and almost 1,200 PhD students. There are many postdoctoral and other early career colleagues in our faculty. The chemistry department, as said, is the biggest one, and they are also contributing immensely. They have a very bright future because they all are involved in very advanced researches. We have not only working on interdisciplinary researches, but also on transdisciplinary researches, because we are having institutes of medical sciences, institute of agricultural sciences, BHU IIT, as well as Institute of Environment and Sustainable Development. I'm an environmental scientist, basically a botanist, and I have to do a lot with inorganic chemistry. I do work on food chain contamination, so has done a lot of work on the metals. So I always used to say that inorganic chemistry is everything else hydrocarbons. We work on pesticides contamination. We work on various medicines which are, contaminating the water and all that kind of thing. So work a lot in organic chemistry. So that's where we are involved. Not only me, the colleagues from different departments, they are involved with the chemistry department in continuing their research. So not going too long with this, I wish you all a very best deliberations during your stay over here. And also I would like you to visit the city of Kashi and the places which our director just said, Sarnath, etc., where Buddha gave his first preachment, to enjoy the Kashi, the spirituality of the Kashi, and then only this entire meeting of yours will be completed. So once again, wish you all the very best for your deliberations. Thank you very much for giving me a chance to speak from.